Hello, I'm Karishma Gagwani from Cafemutual and welcome to today's episode of Cheat with Cafemutual. While the popularity of influencers is on the rise, investor concerns, investor queries are growing. How can you as a distributor help them filter out this noise and focus right? To help you here, today we have with us V Subramaniam, MD and Group Head Equities of Quantum Advisors. Hello, Subbu.
Hi,
We are very happy to have you here today.
thank you.
So, Subbu, if you could please help us, our audience, understand this. The popularity of influencers is on the rise. Investors are not sure what decision is right for them because they tend to get under influences and make decisions in a haste. How can a distributor tackle this issue and guide their investors better?
I think the distributors and the intermediaries need to be a little more patient. In the sense, they continue to focus on servicing their clients, giving them advice, and eventually this will have a natural, not death, but a natural course of, the influences getting lower. The reason I am saying is, while today you have mobile and therefore you have these finfluencers, there was a time where there were a lot of journalists who used to write articles on stocks, and there was a big fan following in the olden days. And that also had its own natural phasing out because they could only do so much. And as you said, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So in similar fashion, I think while today influencers are playing a big role, but over a course of time, either they will be regulated or they will have to be careful. They can't be flippant. And the distributors, on the other hand, just if they continue to focus on servicing their clients and giving them good advice, I think this wave of influence which these people have will reduce, and it should not impact the distributor's business.
Got it. So there is another wave that everyone is talking about, the wave of next growth. So according to you, what are those three parameters or three factors which will be the driving force behind this new wave of growth?
See, whether it's a new wave or not, I don't know. I just think that we are at a stage in India where financial savings towards equities, mutual funds, debt products will continue to increase. If you today take into account the fixed deposits or savings accounts in banks and compare that with the mutual fund industry, there is still a long way to offer mutual funds as a very viable product, which I think will take time. So the next wave of growth will continue to be the same, which is better advice, strong communication, be fair, price your products properly. As long as we do that, I think this way will continue. And of course, we are so positive on India. India will continue to generate jobs, and those people will save, and those savings will go into equities, mutual funds, as well as bank deposits. So it's more of the same, but maybe better delivered.
Got it. Well, thank you so much for sharing these insights with us. And what I understand, it's more about constant nudging,
Yes,
hand-holding, and
Yes.
customized solutions, which is best for the investor's need, is what really works.
you're right.
Got it.
All of that.
Thank you once again.
Thank
And
you.
thank you all for being a part with Cheat with Cafemutual. Do stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, goodbye.